Deep within the embrace of the earth lie realms untouched, places where time itself seems to move at nature's own pace. These are sanctuaries of life, where the modern world has yet to leave its mark. Here, the ancient rhythms of the planet continue undisturbed, offering a glimpse into a world that has remained unchanged for millennia. These are the deep jungles, the planet's verdant lungs, teeming with life yet shrouded in mystery. Every leaf, every branch, every shadow holds a secret waiting to be discovered. The diversity of life here is staggering, with countless species of plants and animals coexisting in a delicate harmony. Their emerald canopies, so dense that sunlight struggles to penetrate, conceal a world of wonder. The interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing dance, a natural kaleidoscope that changes with every passing moment. Beneath this green ceiling, life thrives in abundance. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the symphony of unseen creatures. The constant hum of insects, the distant calls of birds, and the rustle of unseen mammals create an orchestra of natural sounds that is both soothing and exhilarating. Here, in the heart of the jungle, every step is a journey into the unknown. The path is often unclear and the terrain can be challenging, but the rewards are immense. Each step forward is a step back in time to an era when nature reigned supreme. The senses are overwhelmed. The air heavy with the scent of damp earth and exotic blooms, the vibrant colors of flowers and foliage, the texture of the soil underfoot. It's a sensory overload that connects us deeply to the natural world. The cacophony of calls, chirps and rustles is a constant reminder of life's vibrant pulse. Each sound tells a story, each call a communication in the intricate web of life that thrives here. The deep jungle is a world of extremes where beauty and danger coexist. The allure of its beauty is matched by the peril of its hidden dangers, from venomous creatures to treacherous terrain. Here, life persists in a delicate balance. Every organism, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem's health and stability. It is a world that beckons us to explore, to understand, and ultimately to protect. As we venture into these unexplored frontiers, we are reminded of our responsibility to preserve these natural wonders for future generations. The deep jungle is not just a place, it's a testament to the resilience and beauty of life on Earth. High above the forest floor, a world of astonishing biodiversity unfolds in the canopy. This elevated realm is a complex ecosystem teeming with life and activity, where every branch and leaf plays a crucial role in the grand symphony of nature. This aerial realm is a living tapestry woven with the vibrant threads of countless species. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each organism contributes to the intricate web of life that thrives here. Here, primates swing effortlessly through the branches, their calls echoing through the leaves. These agile acrobats of the treetops navigate their leafy highways with grace and precision, showcasing their incredible adaptability. Spider monkeys, with their long limbs and prehensile tails, navigate this arboreal world with remarkable agility. Their movements are a testament to the evolutionary marvels that have allowed them to thrive in this vertical landscape. The air is filled with the vibrant colors of parrots and macaws, their plumage a dazzling spectacle against the emerald backdrop. These birds are not just visually stunning, their calls and songs add to the rich auditory landscape of the canopy. And then there are the raptors, the undisputed kings of this skybound kingdom. With keen eyesight and powerful wings, they patrol the skies, ever watchful and ready to strike. The magnificent harpy eagle, with its piercing gaze and powerful talons, soars above it all, a symbol of the untamed spirit of the jungle. This apex predator commands respect and awe, embodying the raw power and beauty of the rainforest. Yet even amidst these giants, smaller creatures thrive. The canopy is a haven for a myriad of tiny beings, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Tiny poison dart frogs, their skin ablaze with warning colors, remind us that beauty can be deceiving. Their toxic secretions are a potent defense mechanism in this struggle for survival, a vivid example of nature's ingenuity in the face of danger. Descending from the sun-dappled canopy, we enter the emerald twilight of the jungle floor. Here the air is thick with humidity, the ground a soft carpet of decaying leaves and tangled roots. Giant ferns unfurl their fronds, reaching for the elusive light that filters through the dense foliage above. Insects, some brilliantly colored, others masters of camouflage, scuttle through the undergrowth, their lives a constant dance between predator and prey. This is the realm of the jaguar, the apex predator of the South American jungles. Its powerful body, adorned with a coat of rosettes, moves with an almost supernatural grace as it stalks its prey. The anaconda, a giant among snakes, lurks in the shadows, its massive coils capable of crushing the life out of even the largest prey. The forest floor is a place of constant motion, a silent battleground where life and death are locked in an eternal embrace. The jungle is a world of contrasts where beauty and danger coexist in a delicate balance. The vibrant colors of the flora and fauna are a testament to the richness of life here, yet every step is fraught with peril. The calls of exotic birds echo through the trees, a symphony of sounds that adds to the mystique of this verdant world. The jungle is not just a place, but a living, breathing entity, teeming with life in every nook and cranny. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, every creature plays a role in this intricate web of life. The emerald undergrowth is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature, a place where life thrives against all odds. The lifeblood of the jungle flows through its rivers, arteries of fresh water that sustain a dazzling array of life. Piranhas, their reputation for ferocity often exaggerated, patrol these waters in shimmering shoals, their sharp teeth a testament to their predatory prowess. Lurking beneath the surface, the black caiman, the largest predator in the Amazon basin, lies in wait, its dark armored body blending seamlessly with the murky depths. Yet, these rivers hold more than just the known. Local legends speak of creatures yet to be classified by science, enormous fish that dwarf any known species, their silhouettes glimpsed fleetingly in the murky water. These tales, passed down through generations, hint at the deep mysteries that still lie hidden within these watery depths, a reminder that we have only just begun to scratch the surface of the jungle's secrets. For millennia, indigenous tribes have lived in harmony with the jungle, their lives intricately intertwined with its rhythms. They are the true guardians of this wilderness, their knowledge passed down through countless generations. They understand the language of the forest, the whispers of the wind through the leaves, the calls of the birds, the rustle of creatures unseen. Their knowledge of the jungle's medicinal plants is profound. Herbs and roots, once dismissed by the outside world, are now being recognized for their potent healing properties. These plants hold the key to treating a myriad of ailments, from simple infections to complex diseases. They represent a vast and largely untapped pharmacy, a testament to the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of preserving traditional ecological knowledge. But this fragile ecosystem faces a growing threat. The relentless march of deforestation, driven by greed and unsustainable practices, is tearing through the jungle at an alarming rate. Vast swathes of pristine rainforest are being cleared for timber, agriculture and mining, leaving behind scarred landscapes and fragmented ecosystems. As the trees fall, so too do the homes of countless species. The illegal wildlife trade adds another layer of pressure. Animals are poached for their fur, their horns, their body parts, fueling a lucrative black market that operates with callous disregard for the natural world. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather patterns and rising temperatures, further exacerbates the situation. The jungle, once a symbol of resilience and abundance, is now facing an uncertain future. Yet hope remains. Across the globe, individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect this precious ecosystem. Scientists are conducting vital research, documenting biodiversity and studying the complex interactions that hold this web of life together. Conservationists are working on the ground, establishing protected areas and fighting to combat deforestation and poaching. Indigenous communities, the original guardians of the forest, are playing a leading role in conservation efforts. Their traditional knowledge and deep connection to the land are invaluable assets in the fight to protect the jungle. They understand that the fate of their cultures is inextricably linked to the health of the rainforest. The future of the deep jungle, and indeed the planet, rests on our collective shoulders. We must recognize that these ecosystems are not just beautiful landscapes, they are vital components of the Earth's life support system. The oxygen we breathe, the water we drink, the climate we depend on, all are regulated by the health of our planet's forests. We must move beyond the paradigm of exploitation and embrace a future of sustainable coexistence. This means supporting responsible businesses, consuming consciously, and demanding that our leaders make environmental protection a top priority. The time for complacency is long gone. The deep jungle, with all its wonders and mysteries, is calling out to us. It is a call to action, a plea to protect this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come. Let us answer this call with courage, commitment, and compassion. Let us be the generation that turns the tide, that chooses conservation over destruction, that secures a future where both humanity and nature can thrive. The fate of the deep jungle and indeed the planet hangs in the balance. Let us choose wisely.